Hello, so my name is Christian. I'm a third year student in Turiba University. I'm studying in a study program called Computer Systems, and in a study course, uh, Software Development Fundamentals 4, so-called Python. We had a group work where we needed to create a program that will detect objects in real time and detect them with our laptop or PC camera. So me and my group mates, Jasur, Bogdan, and Emils, we created the program. As you can see, there is code visible right now for this program. I will run it right now and show you how it looks like. So as you can see, the window is opening. We used graphical user interface and I added some buttons. I will demonstrate what does it uh, looks like when we click the button. So when we click the button, for example, cat, it will detect every cat in the camera. So as there is not visible cat, it's not detecting anything. But if I will show you the cat, you can see it's detecting. So let's turn the cat off. And for example, let's turn on the laptop mode. So I will take laptop, and as you can see, the laptop is detected also. And the next one is person. The person, it's basically human. Every human in this uh, window will be detected and showed. So we have also added a button all, which basically means that all, like person, laptop, cat, everything that will be visible will be detected. So let's try something like this. Um, so you can see laptop and person both are detected. Um, yeah, that's how this program looks and works like. And I hope you like this, and thanks for your attention.